planting the seed and starting the conversation. And this is what this is all about. It's this, you know, where are we going as an industry and how are we going to get there? And it's these events that are going to get us there, because it becomes transparent.
People can run multiple systems and not necessarily connect them, and you know, they've got all these, you know, useful products and they're not using it to make something. So it's nice to see it all come together in like a connected workflow environment and everyone working together.
Perfect.
The lamello as well, that was demonstrated, and there's a lot more interest in that. So it's good to be able to actually see, you know, the design created, the hardware in person. You're then using Jobman systems from both our side and both the machinery side, and then the machine cut it. It's an assembled product here, so you got like a tangible physical thing. You can see what was created from the start, what's been reported on your systems. It's really exciting to see everyone come together and work well together.
I've always enjoyed the Biesse events. I've always marketed them very well, and the turnout's always fantastic. The machines are great, people are great.
There's a care factor, and it's not about just software and fancy machines and everything else. It's about you as an owner being a leader, just setting the pace and the style, and being a bit of a mentor to them.
It's growing and evolving, and I think the customer feedback has been extremely positive. Everybody's been very engaged, so very interested in all aspects. They're coming for something in particular, but looking at everything as a whole, which is the whole purpose of what we did the event for.
Yes.
So the collaboration has been very strong. We're not individual suppliers, we're a collective of suppliers that are working together, and the whole purpose of this event was to show that we do work together, and this is how it connects.
Yeah.